Now let me tell you another one small beautiful story. Then we'll enter into the technique itself. Because it is all about devotion. I wanted all of you to understand the importance of devotion. One more thing, we always think devotion means foolish people, immature guys. We always think by being logical, here they call cool, by being very steady or cool, they think they are very intelligent. Let me tell you one truth clearly. To doubt, you don't need intelligence. Any fool will doubt. Only fools doubt. Let me tell you, to doubt you don't need intelligence. It is a very simple thing. It's not a big thing. Any fool will start only with the doubt. Only to trust you need intelligence. You need integrity. You need courage. Only to trust. You need to take the risk only when you trust. To doubt, you don't need to take the risk. Doubting is a simple thing. Any fool will do that only. Because there is no risk involved. Go on analyzing, doubting. Nothing needs to be done. Your logic is trained to doubt. So doubting is not great thing. Be very clear. Never think you are a great big guy if you are constantly doubting something. People come to me and they stand they think that they are great guys or big guys because they can doubt me. I tell them, fool, any fool can doubt me. It's not a big thing. I'm not speaking only about me, about anything. To doubt, you don't need intelligence. All you need is little ego, which we have enough. Nothing much is necessary. All you need is little foolishness and little ego, which we have enough. To trust, to have devotion, to feel connected only you need intelligence. You need to take the risk. You need to be courageous. Only then you can trust. You can take a jump. Otherwise it is impossible. I tell people, never think people with devotion are not courageous. We always have an idea. People with intellect, we think they are courageous people. People who can doubt, they are courageous. Many people come to me and they think that they are very courageous and say, Swamiji, I doubt so many things which you say. I tell them, to doubt you don't need courage. Don't think you are courageous. You are fool. You are coward. That is why before taking every step you are analyzing, logically questioning, doubting. Be very clear. Let doubt not be associated with courage. It is a pure cowardness. Cowards doubt. Blessed are those who can take the risk of jumping, who are courageous enough to trust. Only to trust you need courage. Because when you trust, you are taking jump. It's a big risk. Ordinarily, you can play a safe game in doubting. In doubting, you can play a very safe game. Nothing risk. You don't take any risk. You are very so-so. Just stand aside, be a watcher and play the game, safe game, and you know to what extent you can go and go back. It's not a big thing. I always tell people, when your intellect has reached its peak, it becomes intelligence. When your emotion has reached its peak, it becomes devotion and trust. When your being, it reaches its peak, it becomes enlightenment. Through tapas and through the purification process, if your intellect reaches the peak, it will become intelligence. If your emotion reaches its peak, it becomes trust and devotion. If your being reaches its peak, it becomes enlightenment. To doubt, you don't need intelligence. You need foolishness, which we have enough. Only to trust, you need courage. Let it be very clear. Trust should be associated with courage, not doubting. People think just because they can doubt the spiritual system, or they can doubt some tradition, they can doubt some spiritual guru, they can doubt some book, they think that they are courageous. Never think you are courageous if you can doubt some of the spiritual books, some of the spiritual gurus, some of these spiritual techniques, especially the modern day youth. They come to me and tell me, Swamiji, I am a very courageous person. I don't care for my mother's beliefs. She believes in that God, but I am very courageous. I don't care about all those things. I doubt everything. Be very clear. Let your courage not associated. Let you don't feel you are intelligent or courageous because you doubt. To doubt, you don't need anything. You don't need courage. Only to trust and take a quantum jump, you need courage. Only to have devotion, you need courage. Only to have trust, you need courage.